Sometimes the changes you need already live in a spreadsheet. A supplier sends a new price list. A stocktake comes back as an Excel file. A teammate keeps product data in Google Sheets. You don't need to create those changes. You just need to get that spreadsheet into your store. Shopify has a built-in CSV import, but it's unforgiving. It wants an exact column structure. It can overwrite fields you didn't mean to touch, and there's no preview. You don't see what it did until it's already done. BulkEditly runs the same export, edit, re-import workflow with a safety net. Drop your file in, and before anything is written, it shows you a before and after preview. Exactly which products change, and from what value to what. Review it. Back out if it's not right. Confirm, and only then does it touch your store. Every applied import is recorded, so you can always undo it. Apply your spreadsheet to your store safely. Find BulkEditly on the Shopify App Store. Link in the description.